Hello everyone, my name is Aniket Khandekar and I recently completed 45-day internship program with eVision. Today I would like to share my experience and feedback about the program. So the internship was highly valuable learning experience for me, and during these 45 days I gained practical knowledge of Windows administration, Active Directory, then ITIL and some CCNA basics. The training was hands-on and industry oriented, which helped me to understand how IT support functions work in real world environments. So one of the most beneficial aspects of the program was mock interviews and soft skills training. So these sessions significantly improved my communication skills and boosted my confidence and prepared me effectively for the professional job interviews. And the trainers were extremely supportive, knowledgeable, and always willing to help. So, like in those sessions, they explained every concept in a simple and practical manner, making it easy to understand and implement. So, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my recruiter Sati ma'am for her continuous guidance and encouragement and support throughout the placement process. Her efforts, along with the training provided by eVision, helped me secure a position as a desktop support engineer at Oriental Tech. So this internship has provided me with a strong foundation for my IT career and which helped me develop both technical expertise and professionalism. The experience has been truly rewarding and has prepared me to take next step in my professional journey. I would highly recommend eVision